Alright y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some pork chops that I'm going to grill on the big green egg. I watched a video, I think about 9 months ago, on pork chops on the big green egg, and boy, that video sucked big time. So I'm going to do a redo. I was just getting started out. The audio and video and all that wasn't that great, but I ain't a lot better, but I'm a little bit better, and I think I owe it to y'all. Let me get you set up, and I'll bring you right back. We got about 4 pork chops here. Gonna marinate it. It's still steak seasoning. Anybody's watched my channel for a while knows I love this stuff. So just gonna give a little coat. Maybe I should have poured it in the pan first, but I did not. Splattering everywhere. Don't take much now. This stuff's kind of salty. I'm gonna let these things hang out for a few minutes. And 3 of these, I'm gonna be putting some Meat Church's Holy Cow barbecue rub. I'll show up when I get ready to sprinkle it on there. Now this stuff's kind of potent now. It's got a kick to it. When I do it, I'm probably just gonna put it on one side and call it good enough. Alright. I need to get out here and get my grill ready. I'm gonna let these soak for a few minutes, and I'll bring y'all back later. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all firing up this grill. I'm gonna be grilling with raw oak lump charcoal. I believe I gotta go check that out. If I'm wrong, I'll let you know. There's cherry wood splits. I'm not gonna have no smoke flavor on it, just charcoal. And I think there should be enough in here for this cook. More than plenty, I hope. I got some cotton balls soaked in 91% Isopropyl alcohol. Great for it. No more than it costs. It's great. The alcohol burns clean. Anybody knows anything about alcohol, it's just rubbing alcohol. And then I'm gonna start it up. Boom, just like that. And I gotta find my grate. Put it on here. And that is it, y'all. Alright. I'll bring you back when it's time to throw the meat on the grill. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all. We got the grill up to temp. Let's throw these pork chops on. I'm grilling at 350. I ain't got 4 of them. Probably my wives right there. I'm gonna put some of this Holy Cow, not Honey Cow, Holy Cow barbecue rub by Meat Church. Just a little light dose, that's all it's gonna take. Yeah, I know it says it's cow, but sometimes you gotta experiment. I'm thinking about what y'all experiment and hit that like subscribe button for me. Let me get some new subscribers here. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'll bring you back when it's time to flip them over. Alright y'all, it's been about 5 minutes. This thing cooking kind of hot today. Let's check it out. There we go. Probably could have left a few more minutes. Gonna take long, I hope. My taters are done. I'm gonna have this and baked potatoes. Alright, bring y'all back when it's time to take them off. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, fix and bring them in. Took about 20 minutes. I'll put them about every 5 minutes. Can y'all see that? Oh my lord. I ought to get a thumbnail of one just like that. That's beautiful. I think that's my wife's there. Yep. said, I kept them spray down the spray butter. Put them a few times. It only took about 20 minutes. And I'll bring y'all back when it's time for the taste test. So stay tuned. Alright, y'all. Check it out. Get a little pork chop, baked potato, a little bit of butter, salt, and pepper. Wish it had some sour cream. Alright. Try to do this in all one swoop. There I am. Alright, that wasn't a bad cook. Cut into this. There it is, in all its glory. Cheers, y'all. Everything perfect. I was worried about the rub being a little strong on it, but that was perfect. I don't need to use that whole cow. Thin piece of meat. Keep it light. Some potatoes. Good old swallow of iced tea. I'll give you one more bite and let you go. I got a I had to order a radiator for my truck. I got a 2018 Ram. I'm a mechanic, or used to be. I'm retired from the federal government now. Was civil service. If anybody out there wants to know how to kind of halfway know how to replace a radiator, give me a shout out in the comments. I might try to do a video for y'all tomorrow, if my hip is willing. It's been giving me problems today, so I don't know. Ain't no guarantees on that. My battery is almost dead, so see you next time around. Cheers.